Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. After you've made this really pretty Christmas tree out of magazine, it's time to decorate. You could tie a ribbon and put it on top. You could drape ribbons around. You could use different small little stickers as ornaments. You can be as creative as your creativity allows you. So please comment below how you decorated your Christmas tree. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. So to form this Christmas tree, grab whatever magazine you have hanging out, and it's really just one basic fold. You're going to take the top right corner, fold it down into the gutter, and then you're going to fold it over again so it almost looks like a sideways airplane. And then you're going to have this extra tip right here. You're going to fold it up, increase it, and then tuck it right inside to almost like form a pocket. And that's going to form your Christmas tree. So let's go ahead and do that again. Top right corner, fold it down, fold it over again, turn the page over, and then go ahead, fold that little extra triangle over, almost like an ice cream cone, and tuck it inside. And you're going to repeat this over and over again. Top right corner, bring it down, fold it over into the gutter, turn the page over, and then go ahead and fold the tip in. You can start to see the forming of this Christmas tree. I'm going to continue working on this. Please stay tuned to the end of the video so I can show you how it's going to stand up, and then how we're going to decorate a little star on the top and some other simple decorations to make this a really fun decoration that'll be perfect to put on any mantle or make a beautiful gift. Just lots of different ideas you can get with this.